In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best micro course promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for micro course promo code. Right here, select the website couponfollow.com, and on this website, you'll have a lot of promo codes and discounts that we can use. And for example, if I want to get this one with 20% off, well, I have to select your coupon code. And if I'm going to copy this code and use it on my next purchase, I cannot get my discount. Uh, okay, so going back to our main search right here, we also have this website, which is simplycodes.com, and I also recommend this one. So right here, if you're going to use, let's say for this free gift deal, all I have to do is select use code right here. And this is my copy. This is the button to copy the code. And I can simply copy this code and use it in order to get that free gift. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.